Hello third graders, today we are going to learn how to use socrative. The first thing to do is, of course, write the name of the website that we need to get into. So we're going to write socrative.com. When we get to the page, we are going to look at some links that we can click. In this case, we are going to search for the link that says login. And we're going to click. Then we are going to choose, of course, the student login. When that page comes out, it's going to tell me that I need to write a room name. This room name is on your Nearpod presentation. Copy that exactly the same way as you have it there, okay? Like this. And then you can join the room. When you enter the room, it's going to ask for your name and your last name. So enter your name and one last name. Done. And you are ready to begin with your test.